trying to grow this beard. Trying to get this beard right. Hey, welcome back to the Life of the Polo. Life of Polo. We back with another video. This is a video I shot a couple of weeks prior to yesterday. Actually, yesterday I put shots of some of the pictures I actually took last night, because I actually went to this place last night. I actually passed it. I always pass up this place. You gotta pass up this place every time. Like when you're on Highway 80, you gotta pass up this place. So it's the largest truck stop in the world. So I actually shot this when I was trying to figure out how I want my production of my videos to be, my vlogs, what type of equipment I'm gonna have. So I really was playing with the equipment with the video that I have, and I actually have the GoPro Max. Actually, I shot that with the GoPro Max. Boom. Shot it with. Okay, you can see it say Max. Boom. Yeah, I shot that with that Max. So that's how I got that 360 globe-like feel with this video. Yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm gonna come back to y'all. Man, I got more and more content that's coming. More and more, day by day. Yep, more and more is coming. Yeah, man, just stay positive, everybody. Stay positive throughout all these times that we're going through. I know it's a rough time. Everybody stay prayed up. Get in touch with your inner self and understand what's going on. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My selfie stick kind of broke, bro, so I'm kind of scared. But I really want to show y'all. I gotta use the restroom. Go to the museum, man. Museum closed, closed. Look at the front, bro. Look at this. That's some fun facts.
Hi.
Look, man, I bought this case. This some bullshit case, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie.
This fifth
Bullshit.
final adjustment to it. Position of the smartphone such that none of the holding arms touches a button.
So y'all, recently I just been putting stickers on my bag, and I'm addicted to stickers. But I don't see no cool ones over there. Damn, what the hell is this? Yes, please. I'm home. We So boom. We want to take a tour of the fucking whole store. The whole thing. It's fucking truck, I ain't gonna lie. Stuff like this, they gonna sell pretty much everything. Anything you can think of that's Iowa related. As far as Iowa football teams. A whole bunch of souvenirs. You're ever on I-80, this would be the place to come. We'll come back to y'all. I gotta use the restroom.